reserved. I believe
the Kerry-Lugar Bill has come under severe criticism by the opposition parties. The PML-Q wants the government to renegotiate the conditionalities concerning terrorism and nuclear proliferation.
The conditionalities which are very problematic need to be deleted. The negotiations have not been done properly and they need to be renegotiated.
But the ruling Pakistan People's Party says that the Kerry-Lugar Bill does not impose any conditionalities on the government of Pakistan.
The Kerry-Lugar Bill says that the United States Secretary of State, Hillary Rodham Clinton, is placed under certain conditionalities. Okay? The Kerry-Lugar Bill does not say that the government of Pakistan is placed under any conditionalities.
The Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz has also taken exception to the conditionalities.
What people are questioning is that the manner in which these conditionalities have been enforced, whether it meets the requirements of Pakistan's dignity. And this is the point which the government should have communicated and conveyed to US lawmakers, and they did a very poor job.
Pakistan's leading religio-political party JAMAT-E-ISLAMI has held street protests across the country to condemn the Kerry-Lugar Bill.
वो तंजीमें जो आज़ाद कश्मीर में पाकिस्तान के लिए कोशिश कर रही हैं, उनको सफ़ा हस्ती से मिटाने की कोशिश की गई है, और वो फ़र्द डॉक्टर अब्दुल कदीर खां और दूसरे साइंसदान जिन्होंने पाकिस्तान को एटमी पावर से मालामाल किया है, उन तक रसाई, उन्हें सजा देने की कोशिश की गई है.
The PPP disagrees with the Jamaat-e-Islami's extreme conclusions. It says that Pakistan's official policy on terrorism and nuclear proliferation is in line with the Kerry-Lugar Bill.
Even the conditionalities put on the US Secretary of State are all shared by the government of Pakistan. Those are things that are in Pakistan's interests. Those are in Pakistan's. We are anti-terrorism. We are anti-proliferation, we are anti-Taliban, we are anti-Al-Qaeda.
Experts believe that Pakistan seriously needs the $1.5 billion that it would annually get for 5 years under the Kerry-Lugar Bill. It is for Pakistan to decide whether it wants this money or not.
It's very simple. Do we want the aid or do we not want the aid? Whoever pays the piper names the tune. So to the extent that we're going to the Americans and asking for money desperately, it's going to come with conditions. There's no free money here.
The political opinion stands divided on the Kerry-Lugar Bill. The opposition has criticized it in the ongoing Senate session, and it is likely to create fireworks in the upcoming session of the National Assembly.
The Kerry-Lugar Bill is being strongly criticized by some religious and political parties. They see it as against Pakistan's national interest. But the ruling PPP maintains this bill is very much in Pakistan's own national interest. Pakistan really wanted this kind of aid from the United States, and they say this is for the first time in the history of Pak-US relations that America is going to provide so much aid to the Pakistani civilian sector. Asim Awan, Dawn News, Islamabad.